Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art class. Today we are going to learn a Gond art painting. So let's start. For making a Gond art painting, we need one A4 size paper or any big paper, it's your choice, pencil, eraser, various size brushes and paints. Okay, so first we will learn how to draw. So Gond art is the oldest tribe, one of the oldest tribe from India, and they still live in the jungles of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, which was earlier a joint Andhra, and some parts of Gujarat. And now another state is there, Chhattisgarh. So it's the biggest tribe, and they are nature lovers, and they make paintings depicting what are the things there in their surroundings. And one speciality of their painting is that most of the time a tree will emerge from the body of the animal. So today we will start making elephant. I think elephant, more children will be interested in elephant. So let's make an elephant and then a tree will be emerge from the body of the elephant. So I'm drawing an elephant. I'm drawing little light because if I draw very dark and if I erase, then the marks look very dirty. So this is the face of the elephant. Now 2 ears. One ear is hidden half. We cannot see it fully. The other ear is fully visible. Then trunk, eyes will be slanting. Make sure all the 4 feet are on the same level. So what we do, sometimes we draw a dotted line just to make sure that all 4 are on the same level. So our elephant is ready. Now we will make a tree. Leave approximately 1 inch on both the sides of your paper because that will go into framing. We'll draw double line. Now each leaf will have a curve, 2 curves around it. This is also one of the way to draw the leaves and fruits in Gond art. Make sure your branches are wide enough because we will draw lots of line work we will do in between the branches. Now our next step is to draw the outline with black paint. In this art form also, outline is very important. So this is my black paint and this is my 000 number brush. I will start coloring from the top. We should have water so that we can keep on washing our brush, and we should also keep 1 or 2 extra 000 brushes so that if anything goes wrong, then we can change the brush. We should also have a rug so that we can use it. Normally Gond art is made on the white background. They don't give any background, but if you want, you can draw some background if you want. Okay, normally they don't have any background. They coat the walls with calcium, which is called chuna in Hindi, and then they paint over it. So I'll always start from the top. The reason is we'll come from top to down so that our hand will not make the rest of the painting dirty. Ends of the branches are normally pointed. Once your paint is dried, then please erase all the pencil marks. My suggestion is to do it very slowly. There's no need to hurry, and if you cannot paint fine line with paint, then please use the pen. because lines have to be very, very thin. If you can get a brush with long bristles, then it's always better to use that brush. They make the paints from the natural fruits, vegetables, ore. All these natural things are used in their process of making colors. K. Shyam is the first artist who has done this art on the professional level. Mr. Bhaju Shyam and Singaporean artist Sam Low have created a big mural on the walls of a building in Singapore. Mr. Shyam is a very known artist from India. He paints Gond art. Techniques are passed from one generation to other generation by elders. This drawing you can make on a pouch, on the wall. You can make on cushion cover, and you can use this knowledge professionally. Our tree outline is ready. Now we will make the outline of elephant. Keep soap water with you and always wash your brush nicely so that the bristles of the brush will not become dirty. Now we have to divide the body of elephant into various segments. And then each segment will have different color and different design. So one thumb rule is that when we are dividing, we have to draw double line. I'm erasing all the pencil marks. Don't erase on the wet paint. This side paint is dry, so I'm erasing. Now, I will start with the tree and I'll teach you tree. So for the branches, we have to do the lines on the tree also. We are going to use two colors on the tree. Sometimes they draw 3-4 lines also instead of 2. I am going to show you. 3-4 line means when they are showing the division here, what they will do, suppose here they have made a design of circles. They do have dots, then one line here and one line here, and in this they will show the dashes, vertical dashes or horizontal dashes. Now, suppose we want to show here. Like this, our design will go, but you don't have to draw everywhere 4 lines. You can draw some places 4 where you have place and some places only 2. It will be nice if you can make 4. If you are not comfortable with brush, please use the pen. Instead of circles, you can make dots also. Dots are allowed in this art form. So in Gond art, first we will give the base color, and after giving base color, we'll wait for this to dry. And once if it is dry, then we'll do the line work on this. That's the procedure. So I'm using two colors. You can use more than two colors also. Normally people use two colors. Alternate, like this one is this and this is light. So same thing here. You can select your own colors. They use very bright colors, and their colors are natural dyes which are grown in the tribal area, plants base. I'm going to use black paint. Our next color is blue. So our elephant's body is ready, and now we are going to paint face and trunk. This is light blue. So this much is ready, and now we will make the ear. So for ear, we are using orange and yellow. So this is bright yellow and this is bright orange. Okay, one ear, now second ear. Okay, ears are ready. Now we'll come to the tree trunk. So I'll tell you one part first. So this is my brown color. Okay, you can use any brown color, dark, light, anything. So in tree trunk, wherever we gave gaps, we are filling brown color. Okay, you can fill any other color like dark red or green, anything you want you can fill, but this is my color scheme, and white space should be there. In between, black lines are compulsory. Black lines and design what I have made with black color, that is compulsory. There are few designs, lines, circles. There are 2-3 more which we will use in the elephant. And whenever you get free time, try to practice making thin lines with the brush. Thinner the lines, better is your tribal art. So for this portion, we need green color, we need pink and purple, but it's your choice. If you want to use any other color, please feel free. So I will start with pink, and these are the fruits on the tree. The lower one I'm drawing, painting in pink color. You can paint any one. There's no rule. And you can change the color also. You can paint in the same color also, both the sides. Once you finish this, then please check carefully that paint is everywhere. No place is left. Our next color is purple. This is the purple color. Now we are going to use green color. To make our painting bright, I will try with this green. Let's see how it looks. Now I think this base is dry, so I'm going to tell you what design to make on this with black paint. Vertical lines, very small, then horizontal, alternate. Similarly, here also, make sure your outline is very clear and it's visible. It should be clearly visible in black color. Black color has lots of importance in Gond art. Here also, if you want, you can give alternate, one vertical and one horizontal. But I'm planning to give horizontal and then I will give dots with white color. And now I'm going to take dark red color, semicircles. 3 semicircle, then dots, then semicircles in different direction. So in the whole elephant, this design will go. So our design is going like this, okay? And on the face, we are using this color only, but now I'm going to tell you where I'm going to use the white color and how. So very little color on the tip. So this is the design, and here also we'll do curves. Our painting is complete. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Namaste.